Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, in this video we'll be discussing about question number 34 of NEET Physics paper 2015. Students, let us solve this number 34. On observing light from three different stars, so there are three different stars P, Q and R, it was found that intensity of violet color is maximum in the spectrum of P. So in the spectrum of P, intensity of violet is maximum. The intensity of green color is maximum in the spectrum of R. So in this spectrum, what is maximum intensity? Green color. Okay. And the intensity of red color is maximum in the spectrum of Q. In the spectrum of Q, what is maximum? It is red. Red color is maximum. Okay. If TP, TQ and this will be TR, this will be actually TR. Okay, this will be TR. If TP, TQ and TR are the respective absolute temperatures of PQR. So this star and this stars having temperatures, this one is having temperature TP, this one is having temperature TQ, this is having temperature TR. Okay, then it can be concluded from the above observations that TP less than TR less than TQ. That means how these temperatures are related, you have to find. You have to find the relationship between TP, TQ and TR. So from this information, the information that for the star P, intensity of violet is maximum. For Q, red is maximum. For R star, R, green color is maximum. So this is basically a question that relates the temperature to the color. The color is related to the wavelength. That means the temperature is related to wavelength. If you think of temperature wavelength relation, it must be Wien's displacement law. Wien's in Wien's displacement law, we have lambda m is inversely proportional to T. Lambda m is inversely proportional to T. Lambda m inversely proportional to T. This means that if temperature is more, then the wavelength will be less. The intensity at which the intensity will be maximum will be at this wavelength. That means if temperature keeps on increasing, then the wavelength will keep on decreasing. Now we have violet, red, green colors, so we have to think of that in case of visible spectrum, Vibgyor, instead of this we have this one, and these seven colors, we know that the wavelength of red is maximum and the wavelength for violet is minimum. That means wavelength increases in this direction. It is around 3600 or 4000 Armstrong to around 8000 Armstrong. So wavelength is increasing in this order. Now I will just find out in these colors which wavelength lies where. Violet is here, so this is for violet, so this is for P, so this is for P. or I'll say rather lambda p. I'll say lambda p. And Q stands for red color. Red color is here, so this is for lambda Q. For this Q star, the maximum intensity is obtained at this color, red. So it is lambda Q. And for R star, green, at green the intensity is maximum, and green lies here, and that is for R. So this green is for lambda R. So we can see that if the wavelength, if we want to arrange the wavelengths in the increasing or decreasing order, then wavelength of this is minimum, then this, then this. So this is the maximum. So I can write the relationship among this as this one: lambda p is less than lambda of r is less than lambda of q. Lambda of q. Because lambda and t are inversely related, to each value of lambda corresponding to that temperature, if I write lambda p here, I'll write T p here. So similarly for other colors. So that means if these have these relations, that means their temperature will have different relations. Because if this is decreasing, then its temperature is increasing. If this is having least wavelength, then this temperature will be maximum. So in terms of temperature, if I write temperature of P, temperature of R, temperature of Q, then it will have reverse effect. If the wavelength is least here, then its temperature will be the maximum. So here the temperature of P will be maximum, so this will be greater than this, and this will be greater than this. So this one is the correct relation. So if I see the option, then Tp, Tq, it is Tp, Tr, Tq, Tp, Tr, Tq. So this one is correct. Tp is greater than Tr, greater than Tq, Tp, Tr, Tq. So therefore, this is Tp, Tr, Tq. Option number 4 is the right answer to this question. Okay, thank you.